guys, just want to shoot a quick video here and show you something. If you guys love Doritos brand tortilla chips, you're going to love these. We found these just the other day, this Hilo Life. These are nacho cheese almond flour tortilla chips. So these taste a lot like your Doritos, but the cool thing is they're keto friendly. So if you look here, calories 150. Your fat, the fat is 10 grams, saturated fat 1 gram. Trans fat, there's no trans fat. Polyunsaturated fat 1 gram, monosaturated fat 7 grams. Cholesterol is 1%, sodium is at 22 milligrams, carbohydrates is at 5 grams. But then you have your fiber at 2 and your sugars at 1. So this is a good option if you're liking, or if you're missing like the Dorito branch type of chips, and you're wanting to have something that is keto friendly. This is going to be the close enough to it. It's 3 grams net carbs, and it's made with almond flour, and it's got 9 grams of protein. So I wanted to share this with you. These we picked up, this Hilo Life we picked up at Costco. Hopefully all Costco's have them. If not, maybe look online for it. But if you're wanting some type of chips and a little snack, and you want to have something that's a little bit more healthy, go this direction. I will look down here in the ingredients. It's got sunflower oil. So everything on here is not really bad. I mean, you do have a gram of sugars, but if you're missing the Dorito type of taste, this is really good. This is a good option for you to try it. But anyways, just want to shoot this video and let you know kind of the grab that we found here at Costco here in Houston. All right, guys, thank you so much for checking out this video. We'll catch you in the next one.